Are you looking for the best recumbent bikes? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best recumbent bike on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Schwinn 270 Recumbent Bike. Best Recumbent Bike 2022. If you are looking for the best recumbent bike to have a comfortable, smooth, consistent and low-impact workout, then without any doubt you should get a Schwinn 270 recumbent bike. It is our top pick and will fill your all requirements whether you are a beginner or an advanced user. The best features that you will love about Schwinn 270 recumbent bike are the 29 preset workout program, 25 resistance levels, the ability to download workout data, mobile device connectivity, and more. You can easily connect to MyFitnessPal or other workout apps to track your fitness progress. This exercise bike offers all the bells and whistles. You will get dual-track LCD displays, adjustable fans, Bluetooth connection, in-console speakers, USB media charging, and more. Again, the range of resistance, adjustability, and 4 user profiles makes this bike a great choice for many households. This bike will give you exactly what you need for the muscles with a small impact way. Number 2. Marcy Recumbent Exercise Bike ME-709. Best recumbent bike for home use. Looking for a comfortable and durable recumbent bike that can help you get your daily workout in? Look no further than the Marcy Recumbent Exercise Bike. With its heavy-duty steel tubing and powder-coated finish, this bike is built to last. And with 8 levels of resistance to choose from, you can customize your workout to match your own fitness level. This bike operates silently. It has got a very sturdy construction and great design. With this Marcy ME-709, you will be benefited from similar type of exercise features that are typically offered on larger and more expensive exercise bikes. This bike was built with a compact design that conveniently fits into the smallest workout spaces. The LCD display makes it easy to track your progress, while the padded seat ensures hours of comfortable pedaling. Plus, the perfectly weighted counterbalance pedals make it easy to get started, even if you have arthritis or other mobility issues. So why wait? Get yourself a Marcy Recumbent Exercise Bike today. This stationary bike uses a magnetic resistance mechanism with 8 levels of resistance. The tension knobs control the difficulty to simulate riding on different terrains and customize your workout according to fitness level. Number 3. Exerpeutic 400XL Folding Recumbent Bike. Exerpeutic 400XL Folding Recumbent Bike. Hop on the Exerpeutic 400XL Folding Recumbent Bike and let the good times roll. This bike is equipped with a quiet V-belt double-drive transmission system, making for a smooth ride every time. The Exerpeutic 400XL Folding Recumbent Bike is a quiet, durable bike that can support up to 300 pounds. Despite the space-saving design, the Exerpeutic 400XL is enough powerful, with a precision-balanced flywheel and a quiet V-belt double-drive transmission system. Plus, its easy-to-read LCD display will keep you in track of your progress, while the semi-recumbent design makes getting on and off a breeze. And if that's not enough, the large seat cushion and backrest provide ample comfort during your workout. When you finish workouts, this exercise bike can be easily folded up and rolled away. This bike is perfect for tracking your fitness progress as the LCD display tracks your distance, time, speed, calories, and heart rate. All these features are included with this exercise bike for a very reasonable price. Exerpeutic 400XL Folding Recumbent Bike can be folded up and rolled away when you are finished exercising. It is also designed to support up to a weight capacity of 300 pounds. Features like 8 levels magnetic tension control system, a high-torque 3-piece torque crank system, heart pulse, and a double-drive transmission system are all included for a very affordable price. Number 4. Nautilus R618 Recumbent Bike. Nautilus R618 Recumbent Bike. You can get an unbelievable workout with this great Nautilus R618 Recumbent Bike. This recumbent bike offers lower back support and relaxed body positioning that helps you to ride in maximum comfort. Its maximum user weight is 325 pounds. The console has dual blue backlit screens and the wireless heart rate chest strap is included to contact hand grips. The Nautilus R618 recumbent bike is perfect for people who want to stay in shape, without having to leave their home. This bike has tons of features that make it a great choice for people of all fitness levels. The Bluetooth connectivity and app-based tracking tools make it easy to monitor your fitness training, so you can see exactly how much you're improving. The multi-position handlebars with integrated incline and resistance controls give you the flexibility to customize your workout, while the adjustable sightline console ensures that you always have a clear view of your progress. And if you want to take things up a notch, the dynamic recline Nautilus gel seat will help make your workout more comfortable. You will also get 3-piece chrome crank system with weight pedals. Number 5. Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Recumbent Bike. Recumbent bike reviews. With the SFRB 4616 Recumbent exercise bike, it is easy to sit back and work out. It has an easy adjustable seat. You can track your exercise progress with the LCD monitor. With the 8-level adjustable tension control system, you can easily maximize your workouts. It is one of the best home recumbent bikes on the market. The handles with pulse grip sensors monitor the intensity of workouts and heart rate. For easy portability, this exercise bike has built-in transportation wheels. The weight capacity is 300 pounds. One customer reviewed, "I love having this, it's handy and has given the opportunity to increase my exercise from a few times a week to 5+ times per week. It's sturdy and comfortable to use. Highly recommend." Another customer reviewed, "The bike itself appears to be very well and sturdily made for a bike in this cost range. It is sturdy and solid on the ground, and the pedal action is very smooth, except at the higher resistance settings where it tends to get a little jerky. Exclusive easy seat adjustment allows you to make seat adjustments hassle-free, all done while remaining seated on the bike. Large seat and back cushion, seat, 11L x 14.5 W x 1.5 HN. Self-leveling pedals with straps. Adjustable inseam height min 29/max 38 inches. Adjustable 8-level magnetic tension control system.